Hi guys, and today I'm going to be valeting my dad's Vespa PX125. This clean is long overdue, and you can see that with all the dust, dirt and just lots of caked on oil and stuff all over it. So let's get into it. This is the first time I've cleaned a scooter, by the way. So we're doing a dry clean today, so I'm going to be using soapy water and a few brushes. So we're going front to back, so I'm starting off with the wheel. And then we had to move on to the other side of the wheel. As you can see, there was more stuff on this wheel, so that meant more cleaning. Then there was a lot of tiny bits of dirt in these grips, so I just scrubbed them off with a brush as well. Now I had to clean under the seat, and there was just lots of little bits of dirt on this as well, so I had to clean that. So I took the panel off and I started cleaning it, but I need to take that wheel off as well, so let's do that. And as you can see, taking that wheel off has released a whole lot of dirt under there. And as you can see, that is so much cleaner now. Now we have to go and clean that wheel. That's going to be so hard to clean. Now, I don't think this wheel has ever been cleaned. The gunk on this wheel is terrible. Look at the colour of my brush, man. There was too much gunk behind those wheel bolts to just leave it, so I took them out and then cleaned behind them. And now it's time for the engine bay detail. Now, I don't think this thing's ever been cleaned as well, but it wasn't that bad actually. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yes, I'm still waiting on bike parts to fix my bike, but I hope you guys enjoyed still. Please like, comment and subscribe if you're new or you're just watching my videos and you're not subscribed. Bye.